Ever thought booking a holiday could be as easy as shopping online? Amazon is now offering travel and holiday deals, letting you plan your next adventure directly through your favorite shopping platform. From tropical cruises and scenic train journeys to city hotels, Amazon makes it simple to discover and book luxury vacations while enjoying great discounts. Booking through Amazon can be easier than other travel websites. Just go to the travel section on the Amazon website or app, browse the available destinations, and explore the experiences each package offers. You can compare hotels, cruises, and experiences, read reviews, and see seasonal deals all in one place. This new travel space lets Amazon bring its trusted marketplace experience to holidays, making travel planning simpler, faster, and more convenient. You don't need to worry about getting to all those places. Enjoy a winter trip that's scenic, relaxing, and hassle-free. Amtrak offers the perfect solution, letting you travel in comfort between major hubs like New York City, Chicago, Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., Boston, and Seattle. For a slower, more scenic trip, you can visit smaller towns or regional stops like Mackinac Island, Traverse City, Tucson, Memphis, and Flagstaff. Sit back and enjoy the winter landscapes passing by your window, from snow-dusted towns to sparkling rivers and forests. Step off at charming stops to explore local shops, sip hot drinks at cozy cafes, or take scenic walks along frozen lakes and trails. With 20% off tickets, planning a winter getaway has never been easier. Make the journey itself part of the holiday experience, and all trips can be booked quickly and effortlessly through Amazon, letting you relax and enjoy every moment of your scenic winter adventure. Looking for a winter escape that's sunny, relaxing, and full of fun? Myrtle Beach offers wide sandy beaches, scenic boardwalks, and plenty of family-friendly activities. Even in winter, the mild weather makes exploring the coastline enjoyable. Hotels are 10% off, making it easy to plan a winter getaway without stretching your budget. You can stroll along the shore, visit local attractions like aquariums and mini-golf, enjoy fresh seafood at charming restaurants, or cozy up in a beachfront room while watching the waves. Take a sunset walk along the coastline, explore nearby nature trails, or enjoy seasonal events that bring the town to life. Try winter surfing lessons, rent bicycles for scenic rides along the beach, or visit local art galleries and boutiques for unique finds. Myrtle Beach is the perfect choice for families, couples, or solo travelers seeking a relaxing and rejuvenating winter retreat. All accommodations and experiences can be reserved easily through Amazon, letting you focus on enjoying the sunshine and making lasting memories. Need a winter escape full of culture, history, and city life? Detroit has it all. Explore iconic landmarks, world-class museums, and vibrant music and food scenes. Winter adds a cozy charm and lighter crowds, making it easy to enjoy the city at your own pace. Hotels and rentals are available with 15% off, so planning your winter getaway is simple. You can explore the city's stunning architecture, from historic skyscrapers to classic Art Deco buildings, stroll through charming neighborhoods, and admire the mix of old and new that gives Detroit its unique character. Seasonal festivals, local shops, cozy cafes, and winter markets make every corner worth discovering. Take a scenic walk along the Detroit Riverwalk, enjoy live music at local venues, or warm up with seasonal treats from artisan bakeries. All of it can be reserved quickly and easily through Amazon, so you can focus on enjoying your winter city adventure. Want to spend winter with the kids and enjoy a family-friendly adventure? Carnival Cruise Line makes it easy with fun-filled activities for all ages, from water parks and games to family-friendly shows and dining. Adults can relax in lounges, enjoy the spa, or take a quiet break while kids stay busy with non-stop fun on board. Take advantage of savings of up to $1,200 per room and plan a luxurious winter getaway without breaking the bank. Sail to multiple destinations, go ashore for guided trips, Try local food at each stop or enjoy family-friendly activities on board. With lively shows, game nights, themed parties, seasonal events, and exciting holiday-themed activities, every day brings new fun and excitement. Everything is organized for you, so you can book your winter cruise hassle-free through Amazon and focus entirely on making unforgettable family memories at sea. If you are looking for a peaceful winter getaway surrounded by snowy landscapes and charming streets, Traverse City is the perfect choice. Boutique shops, lakeside views, and nearby winter trails offer plenty to explore while keeping the pace relaxed. Take a walk along the frozen shoreline, sip hot drinks at local cafes, or enjoy seasonal events and festivals that bring the town to life in winter. Ice skating, snowshoeing, and scenic nature walks add even more ways to enjoy the season. With 15% off hotels and rentals, planning your winter escape is simple. From cozy lakeside stays to quaint cottages, Traverse City blends comfort, beauty, and seasonal charm. Ideal for couples, families, or solo travelers looking to unwind and recharge this winter, your trip can be booked effortlessly via Amazon, letting you focus on exploring, relaxing, and soaking in all the seasonal delights. Looking for a sun-soaked winter escape? San Diego offers a perfect mix of vibrant city life and relaxing coastal charm. Stroll along the beaches, explore the famous zoo, or enjoy world-class dining and cultural hotspots. Wander through historic neighborhoods, check out local art galleries, or catch a show at one of the city's theaters for a mix of fun and culture. For a more relaxed pace, explore scenic parks, enjoy harbor cruises, or visit local farmers markets. Try surfing or kayaking for some adventure, or simply soak up the winter sunshine on a sandy shore. With 10% off hotels, it's easier than ever to plan a winter getaway that balances activities, comfort, and fun. Whether traveling solo, with friends, or family, your stay can be reserved hassle-free via Amazon, letting you focus on enjoying your trip and all the experiences the city has to offer. Struggling to find a winter getaway that keeps the whole family entertained? Royal Caribbean Cruise makes it easy with non-stop fun for all ages. Kids can splash in water parks, join themed activities, or watch family-friendly shows, while adults relax in cozy lounges, enjoy spa treatments, or indulge in fine dining. From lively entertainment to quiet corners for reading or watching the sunset, there's something for everyone on board. Besides the ship, curated shore excursions let families explore unique ports, try local foods, take part in guided cultural tours, or enjoy outdoor adventures, making it perfect for creating lasting winter memories together. Seasonal events, festive decorations, and onboard activities ensure every day feels special, whether sailing through sparkling waters or exploring new destinations. With up to $800 off and third and fourth guests sailing free, this winter vacation offers luxury, adventure, and value. Planning your trip is effortless, and with Amazon managing the booking, you can focus on fun, excitement, and family moments without any stress or hassle. MSC Seascape Cruise delivers a winter getaway packed with adventure and relaxation. Kids can spend their time at the water parks, playing games, or joining themed activities, while adults relax in lounges, enjoy the spa, or sit down for a great meal. Onboard entertainment includes live shows, movie nights, family-friendly performances, and seasonal events, so there's always something happening without feeling overwhelming. Sail to multiple destinations, take part in curated shore excursions, and enjoy ocean views throughout the journey. From exploring ports and trying local food to relaxing back on board, there's a good balance between adventure and downtime. Quiet decks, lounges, and reading areas give you space to slow down, unwind, and enjoy the winter views. With activities designed for families, couples, and solo travelers alike, the cruise keeps planning simple. It suits first-time cruisers and repeat travelers who want an easy, comfortable winter escape. All trips and experiences can be reserved quickly and conveniently via Amazon, letting you focus on enjoying the journey and making memorable winter moments. If you're looking for a winter getaway that feels magical, Mackinac Island is the perfect escape. With no cars allowed and snow-dusted streets, the island offers a peaceful pace, crisp lake air, and scenic winter views at every turn. You can stay in cozy waterfront hotels, take horse-drawn carriage rides, and wander around historic forts while enjoying the quiet winter atmosphere. Besides the history, you'll find small local shops, warm cafes perfect for a hot drink, and winter events that make the island feel lively even in the cold. You can go ice skating, take quiet walks along snowy paths, or join guided tours that show a different side of the island in winter. Watch the sunset over Lake Huron, or bring a camera and explore the island on a winter photography tour. Plan your winter escape with 15% off hotels and rentals, blending history, scenic views, and memorable experiences. Everything is easily reserved hassle-free via Amazon, making your winter getaway simple, relaxing, and unforgettable. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.